Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a webhook on make.com and test it using Postman. Perfect for real-time automation. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new scenario on make.com. First, log into your make.com account. Click on Create a new scenario. Then click the plus icon and search for webhooks. Choose the custom webhook module. Step 2. Generate the webhook URL. Click Add, name your webhook something meaningful, like Postman Test, and click Save. Make.com will now generate a unique webhook URL. Copy that URL. We'll use it in Postman to send test data. Step 3. Open Postman and set up the test request. Open Postman. Paste the webhook URL in the request bar and select Post as the method. Go to the Body tab, choose Raw, then select JSON from the dropdown. Now enter some test data. Step 4. Run the scenario and send the request. Go back to make.com and click Run once to start listening. Then in Postman, click Send. Make.com will immediately catch the request and display the data. Step 5. Continue building your scenario. Once the webhook is received, you can add more modules to your scenario, like saving the data to a Google Sheet, sending an email, or triggering another app.